Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Hayden, local and long-distance movers near me. Local movers like Hayden Local Movers will make relocation within the city easy for you. Moving is less risky and stressful when you hire a local mover. They are professionals so that they can handle your belongings safely, and their experience gives them other advantages. They understand the city road network and can choose safer and quicker routes when relocating. There are challenges specific to moving within Hayden. These movers have experience that enables them to tackle these challenges. You may not have these advantages, so let a local mover carry out relocation within the city for you. Moving out of Hayden to a faraway city doesn't always mean missing out on what the city offers. With some research, you'll find cities all over the country that are similar to Hayden. When moving far away from Hayden or into it from somewhere far away, you need long-distance movers, not local movers. Long-distance movers, like Hayden Long-Distance 3 Movers, have specific licenses that enable them to operate in other cities, which is necessary for long-distance relocations. They also have experience handling challenges specific to moving across cities and state borders. Local movers don't have these certifications or experiences, making them a poor choice for long-distance relocation. When choosing from the Hayden and Idaho movers offering long-distance relocation services, you should be careful that you don't get overcharged. It's easy to find the regular price for a relocation charged by Hayden movers in 2023. You can use a relocation price calculator or request moving quotes from different companies and compare them. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hayden Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.